I noticed in our instruction manual that there were no instructions to remove and reinstall the silicone ring, so I just thought I'd walk y'all through that. So basically you're just gonna take it out, pull it up, don't be scared, it comes out. I was nervous about this because this is a pressure cooker and the sealing this ring is super vital to the integrity of the machine while it's pressurizing. So I was nervous about it, but after taking it off and replacing it, I realized that they made it pretty foolproof, just they didn't show us how to do it. So what goes in, and it's gonna go in the same way it came out, this little kind of crevice is what's gonna fit around this bar right here. And we're just gonna tuck it right back in. So you can assign a different color for your items. So I have used a little spoon. That helps me if my fingers are tired, just to kind of push it down. And so I'll get that going, just tuck it under. And so there's a certain area right there. I'll use my spoon in just a minute. So we're just gonna go through and keep pushing it till it locks into place. It's hugging that middle ring, and it's showing through on the bottom and the top. So that means we are good here. And look, I've got the whole thing in except for that one little segment. You want to make sure the whole thing is in. Do not stop when you're right there. Get the ring nice and placed appropriately around it. There we go. Now just pushed in between. So once that's in, you're set. And you just want to, and look at that. So there's one little area that didn't quite make it in. You got to give it a nice inspection. Make sure that whole thing is nice and snug. So once that's in, you're good. And when you're ready, you're just gonna pop that one in and put your next one back in. So that's how you remove and replace your silicone ring, and you will be thankful that you've done that so you don't ruin any sweets. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Ciao for now.